What's going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to be talking about using GPS trackers for Turo, which trackers are best, the lock and unlock modules, luxury cars, and which cars are best to use for Turo, and which cars you should absolutely stay away from. Now, on to the intro. A lot of people have had issues with their GPS trackers using Turo, not knowing if the OBD trackers are useful or if it's best not to use a tracker at all. So I'm going to go over the three main types of trackers, the purpose of the trackers, and why the unlock and lock module is so important. Also, which cars are best for Turo, and the luxury cars people list and the problems that they've been having with them. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. It's appreciated. The first is the most common tracker, the OBD or the plug-in tracker. The OBD tracker plugs into the OBD port in your car. Simple plug and play. The OBD can track your car, verify the fuel use, mileage, and follow its location. It also sends you an alert if your car has been turned on or off. The downside to these types of trackers is if that the renter has had the car and they want to steal your car, they can just simply unplug the tracker and keep it moving and you'll never find your car again. The second type is the hardwired tracker. This type of tracker requires someone to come and install it into the wiring of your car. They can be used if you do or don't have an OBD port in your car. They connect to your ignition and your starter. You can track the location of your car, which uses satellite signals, and hit the kill switch to cut the engine off. If a renter tries to steal your car, simply wait until they stop for their safety and hit the kill switch on the app on your phone and they won't be able to start the car. They'll still have the same uses as the OBD tracker, and these types of devices can also be well hidden. Now, the issue most people are having with these types of trackers are actually finding someone who can professionally install them. Now, at the end of this video, I'll get into my installer and the areas he services in case you or someone you know needs a tracker done by a professional who has been doing it for over 11 years. Just a quick side note, Turo does have a tracking application called Toro Go. It allows you to track your car, unlock and lock your car if you need to do a contactless exchange, but it's only available in California and certain areas in the UK, hence why we need trackers in the US. The third and last tracker is the battery power tracker. The battery power tracker are independent of the vehicle's power system. They display their location from a satellite like the hardwired tracker and can be accessed through an application on your phone. They usually send reports to the app every 15 minutes or so. Most times, these types of trackers are used for construction equipment, trailers, and boats. They are much larger than the OBD and hardwired and are designed to be bolted down. I've installed some of these, but only in construction equipment through my clients, but never in a car. Okay, so which cars are best for Turo, the luxury or the domestic? Now, the main issue we've been having with luxury model cars is the lock and unlock module that comes in the car. Some luxury cars just won't allow you to install that module for you to unlock and lock the car for your renter. Some aren't built for you to. The dealerships will not touch them. So for example, the Mercedes-Benz SUV model ML320, the car isn't capable of installing the lock and unlock module. It's not possible. So if someone tells you it is, it's not true. My installer has his own business installing trackers, lock and unlock modules, called audio and video for over 11 years, and he works with all types of cars. He has the knowledge and the experience and knows a lot about cars. So BMWs are pretty much good to go. You can install the tracker with the kill switch and the unlock and lock module. He's done dozens of them and has been successful in each install. Any American domestic car can get the tracker with the kill switch and unlock module, except for the Mercedes-Benz. Now, whether you choose to use a tracker or not is your choice. Think about the pros and the cons of the tracker and how it can benefit you and your business. Even if you want to add a tracker to your personal car outside of Turo, there are some huge benefits for having them. You can prevent your car from being stolen not only by knowing its location, but preventing the car from starting right from the app on your smartphone. If you need to get in touch with me or my installer for a consultation, you can send me an email. I've added my email in the description box below, and we'll get in touch with you. Leave your name, the name of this video, make, model, and year of your car, and your location. He services Texas and the surrounding 5 states. In the next video, we're going to get into the hidden fees, policies for the host and the renter, vehicle swaps, and late returns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.